Hi, today on 716 Dad Advice, making 2-ingredient bagels using all-purpose flour and Greek yogurt. Took 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use self-rising flour too. Turn the oven to 375, preheated. Parchment paper on the pan. There you go. Spray it with some spray. Added 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Added about another 2/3 cups. Mix it up to a nice ball consistency. If you need more Greek yogurt, add it, or flour. Then you're going to take it out into pieces. Make sure your hands are wet. Definitely makes it easier when your hands are wet. And pull them, make them flat and roll them into a ball shape. And you're going to stick in, a hole to make your bagel. Now you can add, spices if you want. Egg wash to make taste, like cinnamon or everything bagel. Do a little egg wash here. Some spices. Spread those on the bagel. I unfortunately forgot to do that before I put them in here, so do it now. Back in the oven and let them cook about 22 minutes. Take them out and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.